Hey everyone, it's your VA tutor Amanam and today I'm walking you through 10 basic Canva features that'll help you design like a pro, even if you're just starting out. Let's dive in. First up, templates. Canva has thousands of ready-made designs for anything, from Instagram posts to flyers and presentations. Just pick one, swap out the text and colors, and you're good to go. Next, we have elements. You click here on the left panel to see different shapes, icons, stickers, and even videos. You'll find them on the left panel. Just search for what you need and drag it into your design. To add text, click Text, still on the left side, right under the Element feature. This is where you can add a heading, subheading, or paragraph text. Try playing with the fonts and colors. Canva has tons of cool font combos ready to use. If you want to use your own pictures or logo, just go to Uploads. You can add photos, videos, or even audio from your device and drag them straight into your project. Want to switch things up? Click Background. You can use plain colors, gradients, or beautiful images. Just search for what fits your design vibe. If you're creating a presentation or multi-page design, just click Add Page. This keeps your project organized and easy to manage. Need a similar layout? Click on the three dots in the page view and select Duplicate Page, or simply copy and paste the page where you want it. It's a great way to keep your design consistent without starting from scratch. This one is for Canva Pro users. Magic Resize lets you instantly resize your design for any platform. For example, you can turn an Instagram post into a Facebook Reel size. Canva also gives you access to thousands of free photos, videos, and even music. Just type in a keyword, say sunset, or office, and choose what fits your theme. And finally, when you're done designing, click Share or Download. You can save it as an image, PDF, or video, or post it straight to your social media accounts. And that's it, 10 basic Canva features every beginner should know. If this helped you, don't forget to like, save, and subscribe so you don't miss any new updates.